The most successful businesses are always looking to improve. To do this, regularly seek feedback from your customers to discover both your strengths and the areas that need work. You can collect feedback through surveys or a feedback box, and if you want customers to share public reviews, make it easy by providing links to review sites in emails, on business cards, or receipts. Soliciting feedback. Surveys are an easy way to gather feedback. You can create one on SurveyMonkey and share it through email, Twitter, Facebook, or your website using tools like Qualero. Keep the survey short, just 1 or 2 questions, to encourage more responses. Personalize your feedback requests to get better responses. Have a real employee send the survey instead of the company, and address the customer by name. These small touches make customers more likely to respond. Set up a feedback box, physical or virtual. Provide paper or a simple form and ask for optional contact info for follow-up. Keep questions under 10. For a virtual box, use a feedback button that lets people share thoughts freely without linking to a full survey. Telephone surveys usually get higher response rates than online surveys, but they can be expensive. One effective approach is to first run an online survey to identify a smaller group of customers to follow up with. Then hire an independent market research consultant, typically $75 to $150 an hour, to conduct the calls. This way, you get reliable feedback without breaking the budget. Always thank your customers. Send a quick email to show appreciation and let them know if their suggestions were used. Asking the right questions. Ask only the questions you really need answers to. Keeping surveys short, ideally fewer than 10 questions, helps ensure more customers complete them. For example, if you just want to know their overall experience, you can simply ask, "Please rate your experience from 1 to 10. Use open-ended questions to get more detailed feedback. For example, ask, "What would you change about our business to improve it?" instead of, "Were you happy with your experience?" Experts debate placement. Some put them first, while others suggest the end to leave customers feeling positive. Tailor your questions to each customer to avoid wasting their time. Segment your audience based on factors like the service they use or how long they've been a customer, and ask only questions that are relevant to their experience. Assure customers that you'll respond promptly to any concerns and be sure to follow through. A message like, "We will respond ASAP," shows you care, but failing to act on it can damage your reputation and trust. And requesting reviews. Train your staff to ask for reviews in person, ideally at the end of a transaction. Keep the request simple, like, "I hope you had a great experience and will tell others." And make sure to ask only customers who are satisfied, avoiding those who are unhappy or overly picky. Make leaving a review as easy as possible. Create business profiles on sites like Google, Yelp, and Yahoo Local. Include clickable links in emails or print the URLs on business cards or receipts so customers can quickly find your profile and leave feedback. Offer incentives for leaving reviews where permitted. You can give a small gift or discount to encourage customers to share their feedback, but always ask for an honest review, not specifically a positive one. Keep in mind that some sites like Yelp prohibit incentives, so focus on other platforms instead. Always thank customers for positive reviews and reference something specific from their feedback, like, "Thanks for the glowing review, Christina. We're glad you loved the lobster salad." You can also include a call to action, such as inviting them to return or bring a friend next time. This makes your response more personal and engaging. Respond carefully to negative reviews, keeping in mind that everyone online can see your response. Stay professional and avoid lashing out. Wait 24 hours if needed. Admit any real mistakes, provide context when the critique is one-sided, offer to fix the problem, and invite the customer to call so you can resolve the issue privately. Thanks for watching.